Alrighty, what is up guys? Shieldcell. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install R5 Reloaded as well as my Apex Trickshot mod AzzaPex. Get right into it. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we'll need is Origin downloaded and installed on your computer. You will need Apex Legends added to your game library, but the game does not need to be downloaded. This is needed to run the game. The next thing you will need is to download these links from the GitHub link. This is the installer and launcher called Detours. Very awesome, cool menu, cool interface, all that stuff. And it pretty much does everything for you. Before you had to import all the files by yourself and it was a mess. This does everything for you to install the game. Alrighty, whenever you download those links, you will extract them to wherever really. I have a Apex R5 folder inside of an Apex mod folder, and in here I have the two installers. First you will run the CLI, follow the command prompt and let it run through, and then you'll install the GUI. If the GUI gets stuck at the end at 100%, that is okay, just exit out, and you should have these files inside of the folder, and in here you will see these things right here. All this stuff. I have 3 different folders. This one will be like a copy. It's the default season 3 files. And yeah, to make sure you have everything installed correctly, you will run this DS file right here. And this pretty much compiles everything, making sure that everything you got's running good. If you try to import any scripts and it's broken, you can see if your game will crash by running this. So once you got that, you will need to download these from the drive links in the description. I have 2 versions of the mod, AzzaPex and no EB. So pretty much however you want to play, that's how you got it. And after you download those, all you would need to do is go back to your Apex folder where you have it all downloaded. In here, under R5 PC, R5 launch, you will go to this screen and you can literally just drag your entire platform folder and replace it. And then once you do that, the patch is installed. And like I said before, you can run the compiler to make sure everything is installed correctly and working. Run that again. And then there you go. Once it's set like that, you're good to go. Keep in mind the download and install will take time. It needs to download the files, extract the files, and then install the files. So once you click yes to begin, just let it run for a while. Whenever it says press any key to continue to close out the window, do so. Then run the GUI. Like I said, if it gets stuck, it's okay. If you have all this stuff installed already from the CLI, then that's all you would need. And then if you run into any issues, your scripts or something isn't downloading correctly, you can either go to the R5 Discord and follow those prompts as to how to download it, or you have the option of running the updater right here. This will pretty much default all of your files for the mod. If you have AzzaPex installed, it will take it out. So just make sure you have AzzaPex downloaded and put it to the side somewhere so that if you do run into this issue, you can just update your files and then drag and paste it again. So once you got that, you're gonna go to the mod, Apex R5. Everything's good. You're gonna open up the launcher. You're gonna uncheck windowed, enable cheats, and then launch the game. The online mod to host a public server in this, under playlist, custom TDM. That would be the 3-team, 9-man, 10-man teams, 2 kills to last, and then yeah, you can trick shot. You can host it with EB, not EB. You can try to put in the server name up here if you'd like. In order to host a match, you will need to enable port forwarding. There are tutorials to do that in the R5 Discord. They have all types of tutorials on how to do a lot of stuff. So if you ever need any help, just go up in there. So let's get into a game. You're gonna go to survival_dev to host like a game for you to do your Azza stuff or to play with a couple of friends. World's Edge, and then start server. So the game will spawn you into just a random point in the map. Not really random, it's always by train tracks on World's Edge. That's the initial spot. Alrighty. There you go. Come in here, spawn yourself some weapons. Get myself a Kraber. Spawn in a bot. And then let's just, you know, test them out. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You now have AzzaPex downloaded and installed. And you're able to hit the trick shots of your dreams. In the menu, it has all types of options. You can just mess around with it and explore, get creative, and give yourself all types of abilities. Change your abilities. And yeah, pretty much it, guys. In order to teleport around the map, you can just go open up your map, click sprint, click A, or whatever clicker button you use, and you're able to teleport everywhere. Hit your position, save and load, open up your console, put setPos. Let's say you're moving around. To load your position, resetPos. You can bind those by pressing bind, space, the key, and then the command. So you can toggle gravity by doing so. SV_gravity. The default value is 750. I like to mess with 500. It's a good value. Jump a good amount in the sky. So yeah, that's really nice. I hope you guys enjoy this and you have fun and you just get creative. Go hit some bills. Link me your shots. Tag AzzaPex or me on Twitter. I want to see what you guys are hitting, what you guys are going for. If you figure out any new codings that you guys can do to improve this, just let me know, man. We can work on something. But yeah, thank you guys for coming out. Enjoy the mod, and let's start the revolution. Peace.